Hi everyone, I'm Simon Angling and this is Learning Out Loud. We have no exact objective except to enjoy the journey and learn something new along the way. Today, I want to start exploring what I think is achievable with the Microsoft Azure free account that you can set up. So let's dive in. Okay. Hopefully everything's okay. Sounds all right. Looks okay. I think you can see me. I think you should be able to see my screen. So, Microsoft free account. We can get a whole bunch of services for free for 12 months. And there's a lot of Azure services that are free for free anyway. But when we sign up for this, we will get certain services that are going to be free for 12 months over and above the normal free services. There are, 55 plus other services which are always free. We're going to look at those. And we also get 200 US dollars, which we can use, we have to use within 30 days. Well, we don't have to use, but we've got those credits for 30 days. So we're going to see how we can use those. See what we can build, see what we can do. I'm really interested in these free services and see what's always free. So let's have a look at services before we sign up. So for 12 months, sorry, it's just so we get 750 hours of the B1S virtual machine for Linux or for Windows. We get 250 gigabytes instance, S0 instance with 10 database transaction units for 12 months. We get some blob storage for 12 months. We always get Cosmos DB. We always get an app service, but that's only 1 hour per day, but that's always free. Functions, million requests per month, I think. I have to check that. And event grid. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is a list of everything that we get. Advisor is always free. Anomaly detector for 12 months. API management, always free. Within these parameters, and so on. There's a lot here. There's a lot. So whether you're using these free services to learn or whether you want to use them to build something which is going to, for your business or for fun, then we can always utilize these free services. There's a lot available here. So the idea is, I want to sign up and see what we can come up with, see what we can do over the next 30 days, see what we can do over the time that we spend together. I'm going to try to go online a few times a week and try to get into a schedule for this and see what we can build. So as we go along, if there's things that we find interesting, we'll mark them and we'll come back to them. If there's anything that you want me to explore and to either explain, or if it's something I've not used, then I'll learn it, and we will go through this process where, for example, I've never done speech translation. I've never used the Azure Cognitive Services. I can talk to you about it. I know about it. I know the theory behind it. Never built anything with it. So, I can spend some time looking at that, building something, and working out how to do it. And that is sort of kind of the idea of learning out loud, is for me to go through the process of learning something with you. So if there's stuff that you want to learn, you want me to explore, then drop me a message and we can do that. So First things first, let's sign up. And I've not used the free service. I've used the free services, but I've not used this free trial before. So I've not actually signed up and got that $200. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, we can only do it once. Well, in theory, we can only do it once. I'm sure people do it multiple times. And Microsoft will tell me if I'm lying, but I don't think I've ever done it. Let's just move this. Let's get this. Let's just do that for a minute. Just while I'm filling in these forms. Not that I expect anybody to be that bothered about my address and things. I agree to customer agreement. Okie dokie. Let's see if they text me. Just to want to verify my telephone number. Yeah. Oh. It's so hot here today. Okay, let me just show you where I am. Okay. So they want my credit card details. Oh, there you go. If you want my address, there it is. So temporary authorization. You will not be charged unless you move to pay-as-you-go pricing. What I understand is that you get $200. And, well, it says here, there we go, no automatic charges. After your credit is over, we will ask you if you want to continue with pay-as-you-go. And if you do, we'll only pay if you use more than, you'll only pay if you use more than the free amounts of services. So they're not going to automatically charge me if I go over the amount of credit that we have. They will ask me, and I think that's okay. I'm not scared. So give me a sec. We'll be back with you. Let me just do this quickly. So I could have had this ready. I knew this was coming. All right. Sign up. I wonder if it's because I'm trying to use a virtual card. It's not accepting it. I don't know why it wouldn't accept it, but it's the fun of doing things live. Don't know what's going to happen. Give me a second. my mic down, then they can hear you. Come say hello. Okay, daughter.
What? Have you fixed it?
No, I haven't fixed it. So
what's the
they
name?
are. I'm trying to sign up with my credit card, and they're saying they can't validate the credit card information, which is rather peculiar. So.
Sorry, okay, I'll go.
No, it's all right. Unless you've got a credit card, I can try.
I don't.
No, all right.
You could get me a credit card.
See you later. Okay, so I can't sign up. I don't know why I can't sign up. I'm going to, well, and don't want to speak to a bot. Go away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign up for this 30-day, well, the $200 credit and the 12 months free services, and we'll set this up and I'll sort out the billing issues and then I'm going to come back to you. In the meantime, let's do something else. Let's do something different. I noticed that my camera is focusing as I move. I suppose that's not a bad thing. All right, let's do, so as not to waste our time together, something completely different. Just give me a sec. Let me log into a different Azure subscription. Okay. Let's jump into this subscription. So we've got some credits on here, and there's not much going on. It's pretty much clean because I cleared it out and deleted everything last week. So let's have a look at deploying an Azure landing zone, which is something I've been doing quite a lot of recently. And let's jump in. Okie dokie. All right, Let me do this. I want to do this, but I was going to do this on the new subscription. So let me bounce, and I might come back later, but let me try to sort this out. This is something that I want to do on the new subscription and deploy the landing zone there. So, and we can start this all over again, maybe, since this is just the first one. Chat later, everyone.